Hello everybody, welcome. Now, today, Anne's not feeling very well, so I asked her what she wanted to eat. She says that she's just going to have a salad. She can't be able to just have a salad, you'll be starving. So I was thinking, what can I do her? And I forgot. I bought this about 2 months ago, it's been in the freezer. I was going to do a video, and I forgot all about it. So I got this from Tesco's. Never had it before, so I was supposed to do a video, but my mind's like a sieve. Can you say that? I don't know if you can say that. Tesco and tomato. Tomato and basil soup mix. Frozen. It cost me £1.79, I think it was. That was a couple of months ago. So the price now probably gone up to £3. So let's open it up. And let's get our Nat's taste tested, see what she thinks. Because I'm going to do it for her too with a bit of salad. God, hear that rain? It's pouring down. Evans have just opened. Right, apparently it says, I need my glasses on, easy to heat and perfect for a quick meal. So I've never seen these before. I mean, it says new there. This was a sale board a couple of months ago. So, and it says microwave 3 minutes on an 800 watt. Uncover, stir, put it back in for another 3 minutes. Or you can do it in the saucepan. I'm just going to do it in the microwave. Nice and convenient. Where's all the stuff for it? Does it say anywhere? Oh, it's down here. Half a pack is only 107 calories. So it's tomato soup in it, so. It contains 2 servings. So it's a big pack that. There's all the stuff if you need to see it. So let's get it open. Oh, I mean that's it. So apparently you just put this in the microwave. No sauce with it or anything. It must just melt then, I suppose. So it says put 300 gram. So is that half the pack? I mean, what's the size of the old pack here? 600, so half the pack, I suppose. So let's get half the pack in. Let's get a bowl. That's microwavable, I think. But it's oven proof, so that'll do. Let's go some of that stuck together. There we go, that's probably the other half there. So that's about half a pack, innit? I suppose. I ain't measuring it. So I've got to cover that now. But I ain't got a plate to cover that, or because of the shape. Oh well, there we go. I'll get that in the microwave. 3 minutes. We're going to stir. Right, that's been in for 3 minutes. And to be fair, it's looking like soup. Look at that. Just got to have another stir. Simple soup, that is, isn't it? I'm going to get it back in now. Another 3 minutes. Right, it's done. And I'll tell you what, it smells absolutely gorgeous. And it is boiling up though. There it is. And to be fair, it's just like soup. And it smells gorgeous. So yeah, Nat's going to have this for dinner. So I've done a garlic bread. I don't know if you've seen them. They're lovely, they are. Nice little garlic bread. I think people have done them before on some other channels, I think. I'm not sure. And just a bit of salad, because she only wanted salad because she's in a bit of pain. I ain't showed the salad or anything. So, and Nat's going to test the soup anyway. Right, I'm going to hold it for our Nat because it's boiling hot. She's in a bit of pain today, so she can't really hold much. Come in back so they can see you. Just be careful. It's going to be hot, it's just come out.
What flavour is it?
Tomato and basil. Smells lovely. So you taste it.
That's nice.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, that's lovely. Not too tomatoey. You know, sometimes the tomato can overpower.
Yeah. Is that nice, is it?
I like that, yeah, that's really nice.
So that was £1.79 and that likes it, so it serves two.
That's really nice, that is.
So there you go. And that likes it. I'm not going to hold it because I'm not going to have a dinner now. It's cold. Ain't you, Bab?
Yes.
You're in pain.
Yeah.
Anyway, there you go. Just a nice little quick one. Thought I'd show that. Try it. I don't know how much it is now. Say it was £1.79 or £1.75, something like that. But I've had it a couple of months. So if you do like content like this, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. I'm not going to try because it's Nat's dinner. Bye.